Welcome to this tutorial on how to purchase a Selldone plan. Whether you're looking for a monthly or yearly subscription, or setting up auto-renewal for uninterrupted access, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Upgrading your plan ensures you get the best tools and features to grow your business. Let's dive into it. To start, click on Settings. Click on the license. Now click on Add Subscription to proceed. Choose a wallet with enough funds. If the balance is low, Selldone will prompt you to top up as needed. These auto-generated virtual wallets help manage your payments to Selldone effortlessly. Next, choose a plan. You can select a monthly plan or a yearly plan with a 30% discount. If your wallet lacks funds, Selldone will display the required top-up amount. By default, Selldone does not auto-withdraw from your bank card unless you manually connect your bank card to it. I choose the yearly option to receive a discount, and Selldone calculates and displays the discounted amount below. If you want Selldone to automatically renew your license each month or year using your wallet balance, enable auto-renewal. To finalize your purchase, simply click Buy Now, and your new plan will be activated, and that's it. You've now learned how to purchase a Selldone plan, whether monthly or yearly, and even set up auto-renewal for seamless access. Keeping your subscription active ensures you get the most out of Selldone's powerful features. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out our other guides for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!